my channel. On today's video we are going to have another unboxing, and this time we are going to unbox a really exciting box that I have got today from the Cult Beauty. Cult Beauty is a online beauty store and they do ship worldwide. They are headed in UK. They came out with a box. It's like a beauty box. They call it the Cult Beauty Starter Kit. This is the second version, the volume 2. The volume 1 was released last year, however I didn't know anything about this. The actual box is still available on their website and it retails for £30. Actually, when I was purchasing my box, so I placed my order in 19th of January, and today when I'm filming it's January 29. I've also been able to get 15% discount for my box. I got a discount of £4.50. The actual box or kit contains 6 Holy Grail heroes, and the total retail value for the box is £79. I will link the website and the actual box down below on the description box, so if you want to check it out, you will see underneath this video show more. Click on that line and everything will be displayed, so you can go directly to place the order for your kit if you are interested. I even haven't take it out from the box. This is the original packaging that I got on this morning from Cult Beauty, and here is written, "Go on, try it now, we know you want it," at Cult Beauty. So this is their Instagram handle. And by the way, I got free shipping for my box because they were running a promotion that they were offering free shipping for any order. However, Cult Beauty regularly have free shipping worldwide if you place a order higher than £40. So because everything is coming from UK, all the prices that we are referring today are in British pounds. So there is some paperwork here. Now I remember, I've also, because it was sitting on my basket, I also ordered this Zoeva Glow Lights blush, and let me show you why I purchased it. First, let's have a look on the actual packaging. It's really nice. Doesn't look like a hourglass ambient lighting powder or so. I think this is similar with their contour or with their blush. Let's swatch it to find out more. Okay, so it's really subtle. I thought it would be a bit more pigmented, but hey, I think it will be a very nice blush, very soft blush. So I think, yeah, I have found a dupe for a favorite product. Ooh, how exciting! And it's nice and sleek. I know what is it inside, and there is one item that drew me to purchase this box. So we have a leaflet here, and inside, as I told you before, we have 6 products. So this is everything. First product that I was so excited about is by Glow Recipe, and this their watermelon glow sleeping mask. So you cannot imagine how much I wanted this product, because if I'm not wrong, many people were getting this product on their BoxyCharm or other boxes that are available on US, and we, the poor European, we cannot get our hands on. So I'm looking forward to try it. So we have here 30 mils. I suppose this is not a full size, but anyway, it's a generous size. It's sealed or what? No, it's not sealed. I think it's some lid. Come on. Oh, the scent is divine, and indeed it's a watermelon scent for sure. So the consistency, it's really liquidy and like a transparent one. Okay, I won't swatch it, I won't dig my hands inside because now I was opening the box, and you know me that I'm a bit of a germaphobe person, but I'm really excited to try this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask product. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is formulated with watermelon, hyaluronic acid and AHA to hydrate and smooth skin overnight for a post-facial baby soft result. Ooh, so I'm all about that. Use it as a sleeping mask. Apply at the final step of the evening routine. For drier skin types, add an additional layer if desired. Pat gently until absorbed. Wash thoroughly in the morning. To use it as a wash-off mask, apply a thick, generous layer to damp, clean skin. Rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. Okay, so I will use it just as a overnight sleeping mask, I think. Maybe I will try once or 2 times to do the as a wash-off mask. Well, I will think about it. But for sure, I will let you know what I think about this product. The second product that I'm so excited about, because we are not getting enough living proof products in our beauty subscriptions, is the Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. We have here 28 grams, so 1/3 ounce. And I'm in a need for a hair mask. But hey, I think it will be a great travel size mask, so maybe I will keep it for this year if we will plan to go in some vacations. So really excited about that, and I've heard only good things about Living Proof. Usage: after shampooing, apply generously roots to end. Leave for 5 minutes, rinse. So only 5 minutes is perfect. Next we have the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin 2% HE Serum. So I'm really excited. I wanted this product and it was sold out for a long time. Maybe not on the Cult Beauty, but I think I was hunting it on Beauty Bay. You know how the Ordinary products look. They are a matte bottle and you have a dropper here, but let's see what they are claiming to do. Okay, it's not mentioned here the benefits of the ingredients. I will have a look online and I will pop up on the screen if I will find some more information. The next product is the second product that I was excited about. Of course, it's a makeup product and it's by NARS. And it's their multiple lip and cheek product. Look how pretty it is. Not sure if it will be visible on camera. Ooh, let's see how much product we have here. A lot of product. Okay, it's subtle and it's somehow similar with the powder that I got from Zoeva, but hey, this is from NARS and I'm loving it. I have their Orgasm blush. I have it in a duo, a mini duo, together with their Laguna bronzer, and now I have it in the cream format, and actually it's also working for our lips. So I'm really excited when the springers and summer will start. I will wear the crap out of this product. The next product is by the brand PETrology and is their Flash Mask. 5 minutes sheet masks. Masks? Why, there are more masks or what? No. It only takes 5 minutes to treat your skin to a much needed surge of maximum moisture. Hydrate Flash Mask combat dehydration and ease your facial fatigue. You look youthful and dewy every day. I love sheet masks. And now for the final product that I was most excited about. We have a Huda Beauty palette. And yay! I don't have any Huda Beauty palette on my collection, so I already applied my makeup after I I did that, I realized that maybe I should have tried together with you on camera, but I will probably do another makeup tutorial using this palette because this is my first Huda Beauty palette and we need to celebrate. So we have the Huda Beauty palette in Topaz Obsessions and I love it so much. I think if I was to pick one of their palettes, probably I would have picked this one. However, it was not an option to pick a palette. The palette was put there by default, but I'm so pleased with what I've got, what they thought to put on their box. And only this palette, guys, retails for £27, I think. So only this palette paid for the box. The other products are as a bonus. So I will try to swatch. Look at this orange shade. So this is my type of shade. I love so much the warm shade. So we have for transition, we have this one if we want to use for transition. Yeah, so really excited to play with those shades. So we have 4 mattes and no, we have 5 mattes and 4 shimmers. I think the actual balance is really good for this small palette, so I'm really excited to play with it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please give it a thumbs up and also let me know if you have tried some of these products and what do you think about them. I will have linked down below all the products that I talked about today, together with the information about Cult Beauty website and the link that will conduct you to purchase the Cult Beauty starter kit. So yeah, I will have everything linked down below in case you are interested to purchase this box, or if you want to purchase individual items. All of them are available on the Cult Beauty website. This product I purchased with my own money, so this is just my honest opinion. I think I should mention this because I got some questions on my previous videos that I might be somehow not paid but sent, but no, I am not sent anything, so everything I purchased, it is with my own money. I want to thank you all for taking the time out of your busy schedule and watching my video. I hope you subscribe before you leave, and if you do so, I want to thank you in advance for that. You can also follow me on my social, that is always linked down below, and I want to wish you all to have a great, blessed day. Bye all!